and I'm going to walk you through the two programs. I've tried other programs. They don't seem to want to work together, and you can't get the full effect, but I figured out that these two actually work really well together. I've saved the links. Let's get to the links here. And the first download you're going to want to do is from a website called Softpedia. Now under Softpedia, you just Google search it or whatever, however you want to get to it, but this is what it looks like. So you want to be on your home screen. First screen you want to hit is Windows. Now that you're under Windows, if you can't catch this link, just kind of pause, halfway through after I post all these links. So next step, you want to go to Desktop Enhancements. And what Desktop Enhancements is going to give you is a lot of the icons and the desktop features like the pictures and stuff, Internet Explorer and all that stuff. Really cool little options that you get on Windows 7. So you want to do shell replacement. Now that you're under shell replacement, this is going to be, like I said, your path. Scroll all the way down, and I found that this is the best one. It's called 7 Remix XP 2.4.1.0 or 509. Sorry, this will be the picture that shows up. Now, what this program is going to give you is, let's say on your Windows, you get the colors of Windows 7 for all your background windows and whatnot. Some of the transparency. I think you get the startup menu, the picture of it from this site. There's a lot of random stuff that it gives you. Screensavers, you get some really cool desktop backgrounds, and a lot of the Windows Live stuff that you get for having Windows 7. So then you're just going to want to click onto it, and you're going to want to download. And download here, run the file. It'll reboot your computer. Everything's going to come up and it's going to read Windows XP still. But once you're logged on, some of the features will start to look familiar like Windows 7, but you won't get all of them. So we're going to go to another website that I saved. Now, this website is WindowsXLive.com or net or whatever. If you type in 7 transformation for Windows XP, this is what's going to come up. This is what you want. It's the 5.0 released package. WindowsLive.com is actually a really cool website because they're always updating what's going on with their web page, so you can always download the newest versions and whatnot. But it's really important that you find the one that's for XP, because if you don't, you're gonna lock your computer up. You're gonna have to reboot your computer and start all over. So now you're under this website, and you just download. Obviously, that's all you're going to do. You're going to run both programs together. You get a lot of cool features, like you get the close lights up, the minimize, all that cool stuff. Make it big, whatever. But it all works like Windows 7. You get a lot of cool gadgets that they download right onto your page that you can choose from. It gives you, under your startup, you get all this just set up just the same way as Windows 7. It has, let's see, it'll do the transparency in the background up top, just like you would see on Windows 7. And it actually, if you've used Windows 7 a lot, it helps you navigate your computer just like Windows 7, which is handy. So it talks to you, and you can navigate it just like you would Windows 7. So that's what I got. Like I said, those two programs work awesome together. It's 7 transformation for Windows XP under WindowsXLive.com, and Softpedia is the other link that gives you a lot of the desktops that you get, desktop pictures that you get for Windows 7. Like if you got programs running, it lights up just like they would on Windows 7. The only thing I found that doesn't work is the color in the background you can't change the colors. They're the normal scheme of, I guess, Windows Vista or 7, whichever one. They're pretty much the same color scheme, but you can't change that. You can't change purples and greens and whatnot. But other than that, it works pretty good. I haven't had any problems with them working together. Internet Explorer is going to want to set Windows X Live as your default, so you're going to have to change that back because it's going to want to run that as your under your Internet Explorer. So that's about the only weird thing I found about it, but like I said, all the programs seem to work just fine, so I haven't had any problems. Just as fast. Like I said, this is just Windows XP updated, so have fun with it. If you have any questions on how to download these and make them work for you and whatnot, you can post it to me or send me an email or whatever, and I can kind of walk you through it. Have fun with it, and like I said, it's basically free Windows 7, so have fun. Thanks. Bye.